We are glad to test out the build quality of Xiaomi's first launch of the year, the Xiaomi 11i 5G. For those who are confused, the Xiaomi 11i represents the Hypercharge also, with only a difference in battery capacity. In fact, it's just 3 grams heavier than the 11i Hypercharge, making it a better candidate to be tested, especially in the drop test. This time, the free case is especially good, giving all-round protection, of course with tempered glass protection, eliminating the need for third-party cases. The glass back is highly reflective, with a mirrored glossy finish. The design looks premium, and from the feel, it seems like Mi has gone for a high-quality build on the 11i, also called as a Redmi Note 11 Pro. The Pacific Pearl variant we have here changes color from pale white to blue from the angle of light, and it actually sparkles at the bottom, almost like glitter. The 207 grams weight feels perfect and normal for the bigger 5160 mAh battery, and at this moment, the structural strength of the glass sandwich build seems solid in my usual trial bend, not as weak as the failed Redmi Note 10. As promised by Manu Jain, the unique selling point and pretty rare in the mid-range segment, the 67-watt superfast charger is bundled inside the box and need not be bought separately. The Redmi Note 11 Pro, Pro Plus, 11i and the Hypercharge has a 11 megapixel dot selfie camera, 108 megapixel triple camera unit at the back with an 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro lens. We have never seen a Xiaomi, Poco or Redmi device fail a crash test, unlike most fail budget BBK devices. So we are expecting the same glass protection quality with the 11i series as well. Another common factor between them is the presence of oleophobic coating on almost every Mi device we have tested. Coming back to the scratch test, we are testing out the scratch resistance quality of the tempered glass protection by trying to scratch it with some common atoms and the heavy duty steel blade of a box cutter. After the experience of scratch testing multiple devices, we have found that the steel blade is the best tool to judge the real quality of glass protection on devices. And of course, devices with high quality and Corning glass protection has mostly done excellent with no scratch damages, falling in line with the Mohs scale of hardness, which says that glass is harder than steel, though there have been a lot of devices which have failed the steel blade with poor quality tempered glass protection. The Corning Glass 5 production with the oleophobic coating feels ultra smooth and has absolutely no issues in handling all the scratch abuse. Now let's show you the drop test. 2 pocket drops and 4 high drops. Will the 6.67 inches 120Hz AMOLED display, known to be more damage prone than LCD, be able to survive all 6 drop impact abuses? Fortunately, no damages of any kind on the Corning Glass 5 back protection or the camera unit frame and glass. Next, AMOLED display side drop from pocket height. Until this point, the Corning display protection has done its job awesomely well in the pocket drop. But how will the glass build behave in increased height? 4 high drops, bottom side facing down. Just a slight minute dent at the left edge, nothing major. Next drop, top edge facing down. This time, there is quite a big ugly dent and deformation on the left side edge. Not the best news since we have seen stronger plastic edges on less costly devices. Next drop, backside glass and camera unit facing down. No major damage or glass shatter on the back glass, but there seems to be some kind of marks on the camera unit. More on that later. Next, the last finale drop you have been waiting for, AMOLED display sight facing down. Will the supposedly presumed weaker AMOLED display survive the drop abuse? No apparent visible damages in sight. Thankfully, no costly display shatters like the failed Superphone Mi 11 Ultra. Apart from the prominent ugly dent at the top, minute dent at the bottom, and the weird marks on the camera frame, all of which can be prevented by the excellent provided case, the glass sandwich Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus or Xiaomi 11i 5G Hypercharge manages to pass the drop test. Next, in the water test, let's start getting things a bit wet and moist in the olophobic bath test. All 4 phones in the Xiaomi 11i 5G or Redmi Note 11 Pro series has the same build and body with the much required IP53 certified dust and water resistance. Is hugely helpful in terms of preventing expensive liquid damages, much better and effective compared to other types of water resistance. Though do keep in mind that it is not similar to the flagship IP68, which can be submerged underwater within certain limits. That's why you have to be very careful of sources which will mislead you and might cause you an awesome costly trip. Anyways, another factor is that this is the first device we have ever tested that has 2 actual external speakers. The second one at the exact opposite end at the top, a dedicated external speaker instead of the makeshift earpiece which doubles as the second speaker. And it's great news that neither of the 2 dedicated speakers at this initial stage has been affected yet with audio issues. That's the reason we already had the light splashing round after it has passed the olophobic bath test as usual, like every other Mi device tested on the channel. Though the same cannot be said about the liquid resistance capacity of the failed Redmi Note 8 and 9 during light splashing, where the motherboard had suffered from permanent liquid damage, requiring professional service for it to work again. Besides distorted low audio issues, signifying initial stages of liquid damage, non-IP-rated devices may face temporary liquid issues such as headphone icon issue, blank displays, flicker issues, or camera fogging, among others. Some devices can also suffer from serious and permanent display failure from heavy drenching due to water seepage by the different ports at the edges, like the recently tested and failed Realme Narzo 50i. Devices under the Redmi, Poco and Mi branding have taken a very positive turn in terms of liquid damage resistance after implementing the IP53 certification instead of other inferior water resistance tech which never really worked. So we are expecting the same level of high quality too at the end of this test. As expected, the red rubber seal and excellent IP water resistance on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus once again comes to the rescue and does its job of preventing costly liquid damages of any kind. There was a few minutes of distortion and few hours of headphone icon issue, though not a matter of serious concern, but more of an annoyance. Next up, moving on to fun stuff with value. The bend test will give you video proof about the build quality of devices in terms of structural strength. Let's hope that the new flat-edged iPhone-ish Mi design is not as weak as the failed Redmi Note 10. And hopefully stronger than the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. There is definitely a bit of flex degree from the first bend, but thankfully no kings or cracking sound effects as yet, though the body is slightly bent. Almost the same amount of bend degree from the second bend, but it gets clearer that the build isn't going to get compromised easily. Xiaomi has done a great job near the finger scanner, thereby making a supposed weak point stronger compared to other devices. In fact, the left side has a higher degree of bend than the right near the scanner. The Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge or Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus passes the bend test convincingly. In totality, apart from the ugly dent on the softer plastic edge and minute marks on the camera unit, the build quality is almost perfect.